Hello, it is Drew with Drawn to Whitetails. It is Monday, March 9th. Last night I got in from Lexington just before dark and had a perfect time to frost seed one of my old plots behind the house. We have some snow that is melting. We got about an inch or two left on the ground, and I was able to throw some seed on top of that should be ideal for getting that seed into the ground as this snow melts. I was able to put a blend of chicory and clover into the plot. I chose that because last summer I had clover in this area, and some of that clover was dying off or drying out in the summer. So I put a chicory in with it this year for the hillsides. There's a kind of a slope or two on this plot, and when it gets dry, those roots that the clover produces, it can get down there and get the moisture it needs to still thrive and produce the food for the deer. I had a soil test done last August, and the pH was 6.2. Added all the necessary lime and fertilizer to get the soil to where it needs to be for this year. So hopefully doing that little extra step last year will get us set up for success this year. When I was broadcasting the seed, I've never done it on the snow before. I frostseeded before, but just never with the snow-covered ground. And it was pretty cool to see the seed hitting the snow. The seed just popped, so I could make sure as I was walking along I was getting excellent coverage with the seed on the ground. I did put more seed than is recommended. I have 0.75 acres, and I think I put about 1 to 1.25 acres worth of seed down. I had some left over from the year before, plus I'd purchased some from Phelps Farm Store earlier this last week. Now we're going to see if this was off or not. When I left last Friday, the forecast was not for much rain this coming week. Since I put that seed down last night, I see that we are bound to get 2 to 4 inches of rain. So all this could be for naught. So I say that to stay tuned with Drawn to Whitetails. We'll see if my best laid plan goes to waste with this rain. If we get 2 to 4 inches of rain, it's probably just going to wash all this seed off, and I'll probably have to start from scratch and till it up and put something else down later this year. Again, season never ends. Continue to follow us, and we'll show you what we're doing throughout the year to improve our properties and give ourselves a better chance to harvest these deer in the fall. Thank you.